Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines, the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the 16L mini foldable washer. In today's video, we will explore their unique features, usability, and how they cater to small living spaces. Whether you're in an RV, apartment, or just looking for a compact laundry solution, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY portable washing machine is a larger unit, weighing 29 pounds and designed for more substantial laundry loads. In contrast, the 16L mini foldable washer is ultra-compact, weighing only 4.5 pounds and easily collapsible to fit in small spaces. This makes the mini washer ideal for travelers or those with limited storage. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY machine can handle up to 12 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger items like towels and clothes. On the other hand, the 16L mini washer is designed for smaller loads, ideal for delicate items such as baby clothes or intimate wear, but it cannot accommodate standard clothing sizes. The COSTWAY model features a dedicated spin tub that effectively reduces drying time, ensuring clothes come out nearly dry. In contrast, the 16L mini washer includes a basic spin basket, which is less effective and may require longer hang-drying times for clothes. This difference can significantly impact your laundry routine. In conclusion, the choice between the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the 16L mini foldable washer ultimately depends on your laundry needs and space constraints. If you require a machine for regular laundry loads, the COSTWAY is the better option. However, for those who prioritize portability and only need to wash small, delicate items, the mini washer is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.